This is the right hand. These are carpal bones. There are 8 carpal bones. In the first row, there are 4 carpal bones: scaphoid, lunate, triquetrum, and pisiform. In the distal row, there are 4 carpal bones again: trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, and hamate. Identify the tuberosity on the scaphoid, ridge of the trapezium, and the hook of the hamate. The wrist joint is formed between the distal end of the radius and the scaphoid and lunate bones. Head of the ulna is not involved in the wrist joint. There are 5 metacarpal bones. These are carpo-metacarpal joints, and these are intercarpal joints. The first finger has 2 phalanges, proximal and distal phalanx. Other fingers have 3 phalanges each: proximal phalanx, middle phalanx, and distal phalanx. The joint between the metacarpal bone and the proximal phalanx is called metacarpophalangeal joints, and the joints between phalanges are called interphalangeal joints.